Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure OAuth single sign-on into Joomla with Okta. First, download and install the Joomla OAuth Client extension from the extension marketplace. Now go to your Joomla dashboard. Click Components, Mini Orange OAuth Client, then select Configure OAuth. Choose Okta from the list of supported OAuth providers, then copy the callback URL and click Save and Next. Go to your Okta admin dashboard. Click on Applications, and then click Applications again from the submenu. Now click on Create App Integration. Select OIDC-OpenID Connect as the sign-in method, then choose Web Application as the application type, and click Next. Give your app a name, then paste the callback URL you copied earlier into the Sign-in Redirect URIs field. Next, scroll down to the Controlled Access section. Select the option that says, Allow everyone in your organization to access. Once that's done, click Save. Now copy the client ID and client secret. Then click on your Okta username in the top right and copy your domain URL. Now go back to your Joomla dashboard and paste the client ID, client secret, and domain URL into the given fields. Then click the Save Configuration button. Now click on the Test Configuration button. You'll see a Test Successful window showing a list of attributes received from Okta that you can use for attribute mapping. Now select the attribute names for email and username, which we received in the Test Successful window, and click on the Finish Configuration button. And finally, copy the SSO URL. This can be used on your site so that users can log in using their Okta credentials via OAuth SSO. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at Joomla support at Securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.